Since they didn't add an intro, here's the intro.
You playing Minecraft? I like it, cut G.
Guys, I'm in the fire! I'm in the fire! Somebody use the water gun!
Don't worry, I got you, fam.
I got you, homie. I'm black now.
No!
We're making a banger. We're making a banger food right now. It's the Party Pug special. Party Pug special. We're now going to set Party Pug, the real Party Pug, on fire. And I'm mad. I'm mad.
Hello, Gordon. Hello, Gordon. Finally, yes.
I'm Xander.
Yes.
I'm Xander, Chase.
Xander.
Look, Party Pug's still cooking.
What the hell am I?
Party Pug, why do you look so party? We put pieces of Party Pug. We put them on the we put Party Pug on the pizza.
It's Party Pug pizza.
We literally put it on the pizza. It's Party Pug pizza on Party Pug. Party Pug from Party Pug just died.
Guys, you hurt me.
Party Pug. Party Pug. Stop. I just knocked over Party Pug. Party Pug almost got partied. I'm killing Party Pug with this party basher. I'm gonna bash you in the head with it.
Mario,
You're the piano.
Mario. Guess what?
I knocked you over from Party Pug Simulator. Party Pug, come back.
I'm going.
I'll just sit in the party.
Let me talk to your manager.
I have the Infinity Gauntlet, Party Pug. You can't stop me, Party Pug.
Mario.
I have the Infinity Gauntlet on me. Look at this. Do you see this?
You can spawn in another customer.
I know.
Another customer. Another customer.
Chase, it's walking. I'm dance walking.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
Guys, I'm going home. Screw you. My house address is C1.
Okay. Thanks for telling us, Party Pug. I took your car, by the way, if you're wondering, and I'm painting it your favorite colors. Party Pug, I know you're in there. Party Pug, I know you're in there, Party Pug.
What are you doing?
I'm killing Party Pug with a party hammer.
Wrong.
We just kidnapped Party Pug. Party Pug, we're eating the wrong animals.
Okay, vegan. Okay, vegan.
Okay, vegan teacher. No noobs, guys. You're not allowed to be here.
This is me right now.
This is me right now. Chase, you can get back.
Guys, we need to close the door because he's right behind me.
The house is cooler. Oh god, he's right there. Oh god. What is?
This is the guy I took my car from. He's been chasing me. Close the door. Yeah,
He's laughing. Nobody cares. Look what I'll do to you. Do you see this? Oh. Well, he's doing the Fortnite dance on us.
Oh, wait, you didn't see anything? You didn't see anything?
Yeah, I saw it all. Prepare for my civil rights beam.
I'm doing it while I'm walking, motherfucker.
No.
It just didn't work.
No. Wait, Chase, you got manager again somehow?
Commander.
That's absolutely wonderful. Kick him.
Special delivery.
You're delivering cheese at my door? Thank you for, Claire delivered me, she specially delivered cheese at my doorstep. Oh my god.
In my office now.
Why is...
Dumb dog, get in my office now.
Wait, he's crying. He's crying.
Sonic the Hedgehog has been a bad boy. Each time for his 12 spending. You should definitely not come in here.
I can't.
Dog, where the heck is Dim Dog?
Claire caved us
Where the heck
in.
is Dim Dog? Get to my office.
Dim dog.
Caleb, come look.
It's Caleb Dog. Dim Dog. Don't come to my office. Dim Dog. Where the heck is Dim Dog? Really?
You're welcome.
He's a supplier.
Wait. Guys, now Dim Dog will do it.
So it's either that I'm still in your house and
Whoa,
I
you
can still
can't
hear
just
the
say
six,
that.
or what?
Oh my god, Clara.
Where the heck is Ding Dong? Dim Dog. Dim Dog.
We need to block it anymore so this kid can't get in.
Get on my car now.
I'm going to dim dog ding dong you to hell.
Removing the cheese and
He's laughing at me. Dim dog, I will dim dong your dog into a ditch.
Here he comes.
I'm going to ding dim your dog off a cliff. Dim dog, I'm going to dim dog shoot bong you.
I'm your best friend. You explore it's a cool place.
Dim dog, don't ask what happened on March 26, 1996. Dim dog, don't ask. Please, dim dog, don't do it.
I was literally gonna make him employee of the day and everything.
Really? Dim dog was a better employee than me. Okay, I did nothing.
You literally hit me. Yo,
That's
look,
me.
I'm dead. You hit me.
I'm
You
sorry.
hit a civilian.
Stupid bugs on my window. I'm trying to wipe it off with my windshield fluid.
Stupid bugs on my window. Party bug, you just hit an innocent child who was just playing with his spray gun.
Caleb, come to my house now.
Oh my god, I'm manager. Remove manager.
Mander. Mander.
No, don't remove me.
He called me a dim dog. Guys, he called me a dim dog. Oh my god, it's actually working, Chase. I'm sorry.
Oh, looks like I'm gonna be in my office.
Chase, there's a riot happening. There's a riot happening. Yeah, this is a riot. Look, she's calling you a noob. She's calling you a noob.
That's Emily, and she's on Xbox and she can't talk.
How?
Egg, my question is, why did you make me
my
imposter
job.
the employee of the month?
Nerd. Is he the nerd?
This could be a
Dim dog's being a creep. Ding dong, ding wong, bing bong is being a creep. He's ding dong ditching everyone with his ding dong powers. Gar. Guys, I just hit this girl that's screaming right now. Oh my god, I tapped someone with my car and then they fell over and died. What is wrong with them? I need to see this man. He's so famous.
I told him.
Dim dog, where is he? Dim dog, I'm coming, dim dog.
I told him to run in the cornfield, and he ran
Guys,
the
let me
opposite
in.
way and
Wow, what a loser. Dim dog!
Dim dog. To give him the promotion he needed.
It's the real dim dog. It's the real dim dog. It's the real dim dog, guys. It's the real dim dog. Guys, OMG. It's the real dim dog. Oh my god. OMG, OMG, OMG. Where did dim dog go?
Oh, where did he go?
Where did he go? Guys, where'd he go? Where did dim dog go? Where did dim dog go? Guys! No! Dim dog, no! Dim dog!
This is the most saddest thing ever. I'm gonna go get some water, BRB.
dog.
We'll never see dim dog himself anymore.